I'm going to show you guys how to do your base makeup using only one product. Yes, we are not going to be touching my makeup brushes today. We're only going to be using one product to apply my makeup. Now, I've used something like this before and it comes out so flawlessly. So let me show you how to get the most out of your blend and snap for your entire face, for everyone that doesn't want to fuss with all the makeup brushes like I do. This tool is ideal for someone that's looking for a one-stop shop for a product that's going to give you flawless, blendable base makeup, something that is suitable for sensitive skin, easily cleanable, and something that gives you a big surface area to apply a lot of products at once. I'm sure you guys would have seen this make its way around the internet. This is a makeup blending sponge. I'm gonna compare it to your standard beauty blender because it is completely different. This one you use dry and it's got specific angles to apply your makeup in specific ways, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Okay, so I've gone ahead and zoom you guys in so you can see the application of the product. This is my skin without any product. I've primed, I've done my eyebrows, or I've just set my eyebrows. And now we're going to go in with a foundation. So, the Blend and Snap Makeup Sponge is an innovative and high quality makeup sponge that can help us achieve flawless makeup application. Crafted from soft yet durable material, this hand-stitched makeup sponge will maintain its quality over time with the right care. Its non-absorbent characteristics and precision tip means that you will use less product and save time. So I'm going to be taking this part of the sponge and dip it into my foundation, and we're going to use a little bit by little, and we are going to tap the product into the skin. It's also great because it's suitable for sensitive skin types. It not only provides smooth coverage, but it's also super gentle to those that have sensitive skin. There you go. All blended into my neck as well, and this is what's left on the hand. Now I have avoided the under eye area because I specifically want to use the corner to blend in concealer. So next up for me is always cream contour. So we're going to be using my favorite cream contour. So you can't even see the product that is on the sponge, but this is where I used the foundation. This is where I'm going to be using the contour. And then you fold it like that, and then you go ahead and pat that into the skin. Next up is cream blush. Now I'm going to be using this part of the sponge, fold it again, and then dip it into my cream brush and then apply. You can see it seamlessly blends into the skin without looking cakey. Now for the fun part, we're going to be going into concealer. So I'm going to be applying my normal concealer under my eyes. Important to note that I've been applying all my cream and liquid products on the one side of the sponge, and on the other side, because you can flip it, we're going to be using our powder products. The triangular form of this allows you to reach every corner of your face with precision. Look at that, guys. Just look at that. It is quite literally a multifunctional makeup sponge. You can use it for blending, buffing, concealing, contouring. It's just such a beautiful, versatile beauty tool to help you achieve a flawless makeup look every time, and it's super easy to clean. So now that we've applied the concealer and blended it in, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty powder and flip the sponge just like that. And now I'm going to be applying the powder to this part of the triangle to get underneath the eyes. Powder. And everyone and myself, we've been loving the triangle puff trick to obviously apply your powders. It's just a different type of flawless. Setting powder, I'm going to be using the same part of the powder triangle and just basically set everywhere else. And because of this sponge, you can actually achieve a more full coverage look with a setting powder like this. Now we're going to use my Hourglass palette, and we're going to be doing our bronzer and our blush and our highlighter from this palette, but on different sides of the sponge. And because you've got that precision with your sponge, you can get a chiseled, bronzed look. And then don't forget to bronze your forehead as well. Guys, we are so far in our routine and I haven't touched anything else except this. Use the chiseled part of the sponge to obviously now create a sharp nose contour. And now we're going to dip into the cleaner part of the sponge right over there. So we're going to twist it again, and now we're going to go in with highlighter, but be light-handed because you're going to get a lot of pigment. You see. Okay, now it's time for blush. So same thing, clean part of the sponge, dip into your blush. Guys, we did our entire complexion from cream to powder set. So I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. Alright guys, this is the final makeup look. Can we just have a moment for this complexion? Like, it's giving full beat, it's giving flawless, it's getting snatched, it's great. And the great thing about this is because there's like literally nothing on this thing, you can chuck it in your handbag and just basically dot away oils during the day if you get a bit oily. I love this thing. If you're someone that's looking for an applicator that you can do a basic full routine with, I would highly recommend the Blend and Snap. I will tag them in this video, but this is a chef's kiss.